Are you looking for an affordable, full brick home in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area that's new construction? In this video, we're going to take a tour of the 1830 square foot floor plan by Adams Homes right here in Bracken Woods subdivision in Piedmont, South Carolina. If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you can be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with PRODUCER Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them as they purchase their dream home and helping them sell at the highest price. And we would love to do the same for you as well. Whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right, let's check out the 1830 square foot plan by Adams Homes right here. They are offering some great incentives right now. Interest rate for this particular one, actually, there's a special on it for 3.99% for the first year, and then the year 2 through 30 is actually 4.99%. But a lot of the homes that are available in this neighborhood actually have the 4.99% interest rate on pretty much all of them, except for the ones that actually have this special rate applied to them. All right, let's check out this home. Like I said, it's four-sided brick, and a lot of the four-sided brick homes around it as well. And you know, nice sized driveway here. You can probably get maybe 4 cars here and then 2 in the garage. All right, so this neighborhood is about 7 miles from downtown Greenville, and Simpsonville is close by as well. It's a 4 bedrooms, 2 bathroom home. They are calling this a bedroom because it does have a closet, but you could use it as a study, a play area for the kids, based on whatever you need it for, or a bedroom, because you do have a closet here, double doors. All right, and you've got your formal dining area there, and you know, foyer, you've got a little chandelier hanging down in the foyer, and you know, kitchen has got the nice peninsula here, so if you wanted to put a bar stool in that area, you can do that as well. Put some bar stools there. And laundry room. Let's check out the garage. It's a 2-car garage. And pull down attic access there. Water heater, gas. Granite countertops. Subway tile backsplash. These are actually soft close cabinet doors, soft close drawers, gas range, built-in microwave. The vent is actually vented out, so you know, if you're like me, you like to cook with spices that you know can get a little loud, it's nice to have that vented out. The breakfast area right here, and you do have a pantry. So pantry, closet, luxury vinyl planks throughout the main living area. The bedrooms are carpet. Nice tall vaulted ceilings here, ceiling fan. All right, now the builders already actually put a fenced backyard in this home, so we'll go out there in a moment and check it out. All right, so bedroom number 2. Or 1, depending on what you want to use that first bedroom for. The closet, you got double doors there, so it's a little bit larger. And the second bathroom, brushed nickel hardware. And you got the linen closet here. Third bedroom. Closet. And let's check out the primary bedroom, which is a split bedroom floor plan. So you get to be on one side. Tray ceiling there with the crown molding in the tray and on the ceiling. Walk-in closet, double sinks, and these drawers are soft close as well. and so is the cabinet doors, okay? And the shower with a little seat, linen closet, all right, so along with the 4.99% or 3.99 special on this one, the builder is also offering and this is a very limited time promotion, so I don't know when you're going to be looking at this, but it may not be available. This house may not be available when you're looking at it, but if it is, then you can take advantage of either getting blinds throughout the house, or you can get washer and dryer included, and it doesn't, you still get everything else, all the other promotions that they're offering. All right, so there are no other lots left in this neighborhood, so they have right now I think 11 homes, and then the model and then once they sell that, they're done with this neighborhood. So they're offering these incentives to help get that sold. So 4.99% is the interest rate that's offered for those homes that are left in the community. For this one, it does have a 3.99% for the first year, and then for year 2 through 30, it's 4.99%. Plus you get up to $7,000 towards your closing costs as well. So really, really great incentives right now on these homes, and they are four-sided brick homes, okay? And that's for government loans, is where you get that special rate. If you're doing a conventional loan or paying cash, you get $20,000 in flex cash that you can use to either reduce the price, buy down your interest rate, pay your additional closing costs, and they're offering the $7,000 towards closing costs as well. So a lot that you can use there. So you can take off the $20,000 and get the $7,000 to use for closing costs. So reach out to us. We'll help you kind of navigate through all of that. All right, let's continue the tour and get our bearings back right here. All right, so, and you've got the blinds built into the back door, and nice little covered patio here. And like I said, it's four-sided brick, so all you see is brick on all sides. And the builder has already installed a fence on this home, so you buy it and you get a fenced backyard that comes with it already. Okay, so yeah, and this is the brick home. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. So if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with PRODUCER Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can scan that QR code to schedule a time to chat with me. All right? Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a fantastic day. See you soon. Take care. Bye.